This is a 2009 BMW 128i E82. We're installing a aftermarket backup camera in this car. In a previous video, we installed the camera that goes in place of the trunk handle. And we ran the wires from the camera all the way through the trunk and the grommet to come out in the trunk. This is the camera that I'm using. It's user selectable, either 480p or 720p, and this door handle camera fits for a wide range of BMW models: E60, E61 5 Series, E90, E92, etc., 3 Series, and of course this E82 1 Series, and as well as X5 and X6, I believe. I'll include a link to the camera in the video description. Now I'm running this video signal wire all the way to the front, and here's what I've done in order to do that. First, I've removed this rear piece of plastic trim. I've removed the cover for the battery. Now I removed the carpeting from the side. I've reclined the seat using the seat recline lever, and let me show you what I've done on the interior. I've removed the seat bottom. It just pulls right out, and I've also pulled out the seat side bolster that would be here on this side by the seat belt. So now my video wire, which is right here, can just follow the path of the car's harness bundle behind this brace and down into the floor area under the carpeting. I've removed one more piece of trim along the bottom of the door jamb here, and this gives me access to the edge of the carpet. So the wire is coming from back there in the trunk. It's gone under this piece of carpet between this plastic side trim and the carpet, and I slipped it under the corner of this carpet here, and it's coming out right here along the door jamb, and I've pulled off the trim piece for the door jamb, and the wire can run all the way through under this carpet right here. Here I've removed this kick panel, side panel. It just has two clips behind it, and the wire is coming out right under the end of the glove box, and there's enough wire to reach all the way to the center console. Here is my final routing of the video signal wire. I've undone this kick panel. It just has two screws with Torx heads that hold it up, and then the wire can run right on top of the kick panel and into this gap in the corner of the center console. This is how it looks going through the footwell, and this is how it looks with the head unit out. Comes right behind the head unit. Almost everything is back where it belongs. I'm leaving off this cover panel for the time being, just in case I need to do any troubleshooting here. But we have the wires for the camera, power, and signal running through this grommet into the trunk. We have the power wires going to the headlight behind this panel here, or not the headlight, but the backup light. And then we have the video signal wire splitting off, going behind this carpeting into the car. And in the car, the wire is running behind this side bolster on the back seat. Then it's passing under the corner of the carpet, then between the carpet and the door frame, and then through the footwell and up into the center console here to connect to this brand new Android head unit. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll catch you in the next part where we complete the installation with the new Android head unit and the backup camera together.